Good morning guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It's Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed Matt for lunch. So today, in addition to the water cooler, I'm giving him a Gatorade Flow in the kiwi strawberry, a raspberry tea Snapple, the wrap which you guys saw me make. I got a little bowl today and added some tomato, and I know it's going to make it a little soggy, which is why I stopped putting tomato. I used to do it a lot more, but got a little bowl today. Can already tell it's going to be a little bit soggy by the time he eats it, so I should probably learn my lesson. This was a messy one. Got a lot of mustard all over the bag, but anyways, it's ham, pepper jack cheese, the tomato like I mentioned, baby spinach, and the alfalfa sprouts on this sun-dried tomato olive oil wrap. So hopefully that'll hold up, you know, somewhat till he can eat it. We went to a family sort of reunion yesterday. So I brought home some kind of leftovers, and there was a cranberry peach, like kind of pound cake sort of loaf. So I brought home a few pieces, one for Matt, one for myself, and one for Grady. So I'm packing Matt his, some fresh cut up watermelon from the weekend, a small little thing of Pringles, and a granola bar. Probably won't even eat this, but just in case, just because these two things are really light. But anyways, this is lunch today on Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, getting ready to pack up the work cooler. I'm giving Matt a Gatorade Flow in the Title Punch, a raspberry Snapple tea. The sandwich here is on the Nature's Own perfectly crafted multigrain bread. Almost done with yet another loaf. So good. This one has sweet ham, some spicy mustard, some sharp cheddar cheese, some baby spinach, and then some of those alfalfa sprouts. We've got this tray snacker thing here. It's really good weight to it. Got it at Walmart. It's broccoli, carrot, some ranch dip, a turkey sausage stick, and then a wedge of like sharp cheddar cheese. I wanted to give him something cold because we're in another heat wave right now. So that's kind of the main components. I gave him a Little Bites cookies and cream for a little snack, and then a small little thing of Pringles. And this is his lunch today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday night, and I'm decided to make a batch of tuna macaroni salad for Matt. It's one of his favorite pasta salads. I personally don't like it because I don't eat or like tuna, and I'm not a huge fan of mayo. But I have got 1 can of tuna. I've got about, I don't know, a third of a white onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 like medium-sized carrots that I just diced up, a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cold pasta in, mix it with a little bit of mayo, and then it's done. He absolutely loves this because I don't want to give him a sandwich for the next couple days, so I thought I would make a batch of this and show you guys. Morning guys, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up the work cooler. Today I'm giving Matt a G2 fruit punch, which is the lower sugar Gatorade. One of these Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonades, a mandarin orange here, and one of these like peel off tops. Some of the hard-boiled eggs that I made yesterday, as well as a big thing of the tuna macaroni salad. So it looks really good for him. And also one of these Roltini prosciutto mozzarella sticks. Of course, a fork. So a nice cold non-sandwich option. The heat did break, so it's going to be a nice refreshing day. Hot but not humid. So I think this will be a really nice lunch for him. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. It is Thursday. And I'm packing Matt a very similar lunch to yesterday because he specifically requested it. He said the tuna salad was really good and refreshing because it was hot, and the eggs were really good, the hard-boiled eggs, so you could eat these every day. So it's pretty similar. A Gatorade Flow in the kiwi strawberry, a ginger ale, of course, a water cooler as always, another container of the tuna macaroni salad, 4 half hard-boiled eggs, so 2 whole eggs, one of these cookies and cream Little Bites, and then some barbecue Pringles in this little container. So again, very similar to yesterday, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday with something different. Morning guys, it's Friday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today he's getting a Gatorade Flow in the Title Punch, a raspberry tea Snapple, the wrap which you guys saw me make. It's like a buffalo chicken, which was really hard. It was all, the buffalo chicken did not want to come apart. I'm sure you guys saw it took me forever to get it out of the package, but did not want to come apart. But anyways, it's the Dietz and Watson buffalo chicken. I used ranch as the condiment because I like ranch and buffalo chicken together. Some sharp cheddar cheese, some baby spinach, and some sprouts on this wrap. And then I gave Matt the last of the hard-boiled eggs with a little stack here of pepperoni, some black olives, which he loves, and then a Jif strawberry peanut butter and jelly, I guess, PBJ bar, which Matt said was good, but he said he liked the salted caramel ones better. But anyways, this is lunch today on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunches, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.